I'm going for a 20-inch brown today. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Just eat it. Eat it. Yep. We're gonna run a black leech. If that doesn't work, we'll run a heavier leech or a heavier streamer. Fish took it. Oh. Feels like a rainbow. It is a rainbow. Oh, it's a nice rainbow. Jeez. Oh, so cool. Keep him away from the sticks. Oh, and he's off. He probably bent the hook open, actually. That's my guess. Yeah, did. Bent the hook open. Alright, let's catch a fish on the leech, and then we're gonna switch to the jig head thin mint, because the thin mint has a better hook. It's not gonna bend open on big fish. I don't want to run this. If I had like a jig head tungsten, that would be exactly what I'm looking for. But I do not have a jig. Oh, you know, this might do the trick. And it's heavy. I'm thinking this jig head will get these fish right on the top of the mouth. The hook is reinforced, so it definitely will not bend open like it did with that first rainbow trout. The bead is big enough and the hackle is, or whatever, the thread on it is soft enough that it's just gonna sink really, really fast. This will do the trick. Let's get my bag back on my backpack, or back on my back. Get my net cleaned up. Yeah, that jig head sinks so fast. That is exactly what we're looking for. It's very nice. The color would be nice if it was just straight black, honestly. Or if it was like, I don't know. If it was the thin mint colors, that would be perfect, because I love thin mint colors. I think this will do the trick regardless, as long as I don't snag it on anything. Oh my gosh, there's a trout chasing it right on the shoreline. Oh my gosh. He was like literally chasing it and then swam right into me. That's crazy. I think I'm gonna retrieve it a lot faster. Okay. That was a rainbow, by the way. Ugh. Oh my gosh, that was a huge trout just chasing it. Oh, they're chasing it. Oh my gosh, he's chasing it. Alright, let's just strip it really fast right here. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. They're not eating it, but they're chasing it like crazy. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh my gosh, they're getting real close to eating it, but they're not committing to it. They just really like to chase things. I hate it so much when that happens. Oh gosh. Oh, that was a bite. Oh, ate it. Oh, ate it right in front of me. Oh my gosh. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. Keep him thrashing a little bit. Oh, that's a beautiful rainbow trout. Oh my gosh, that was cool. Holy smokes, that was cool. Oh, my fly line is everywhere. Man. Jeez. What a catch. Okay. Yeah, that white streamer, just shipping it really fast does the trick, apparently. Because dang. Oh, this guy will not relax. Not one bit. Oh. Clean up my fly line. Oh my gosh. Get off the rock. There we go. Boom. Oh, surprisingly he chomped it like fully, actually. I'm really surprised by how deep that went in his mouth. Jeez, that was cool. Oh, chillax. Oh, he's so angry. That's what happens when you raise a rainbow trout right next to some brown trout. You get angry and develop some really bad habits. Oh, look at that. White streamer. Jeez. That did the trick. Look at how healthy this fish is though. Just shiny. Just a straight up beauty. Gosh. Okay. Let's let him go. Oh. Alright, he's swimming off now. Oh. Whoa. Oh no. No, not the log. No. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Dang it. I think I have another one though. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Just eat it. Ate it. There we go. Oh my goodness. That was 3 times. Probably 3 different fish. I think this is the smallest of the 3, but that was crazy. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh, that's the brown. Oh, shoot. That was wild. First the bow jumped. Then I think another rainbow jumped. And then this brown trout just finally snatched it. Holy smokes, that was cool. Oh, you are gonna be free in like just a second. Oh, and is the hook out? I think the hook is out. Yeah, he threw the hook. Oh man, what a fish. Relax, buddy. Whoa, look at that fish, man. Oh my gosh, and he's free. That's cool.